Thanks for helping us, Bulldozer. We couldn't have done it without you.
You know it, Bob. There's nothing that the bull can't pull.
We know, right, Dumb Lizard? Dumb Lizard? What?
Bob, no! I need to call Johnny for help.
Bulldozer, did you manage to help Bob?
We got an emergency, Johnny. I don't know how, but our friends got frozen. I need backup to investigate.
I see. Don't worry, Bill. Help is on the way.
Hi, Johnny.
Batfly, Bulldozer needs your help on the construction site.
Say no more, Johnny. We'll take care of it. Wow, it seems we got a chilly situation down here.
Batfly, I'm so glad you're here. I'll free our friends and then we'll find the person behind this.
Hi, Bob. How you feeling?
It's so chilly.
You're free now, Demo Lizard. Don't worry, guys. You'll get warm in a jiffy. Now let's investigate.
Let me check the skies to see if I can find something. It's a freezing machine. It's close to Vicky's hideout.
Vicky's hideout. Something smells fishy here.
Look who it is. Give her a drill, Billy boy. The Animatown, what are you doing here?
A little thank you wouldn't hurt, you know.
All right, while you're here, help me turn off my machine.
Your machine?
Yes, I created it to make infinite ice cream, but it has started to fall. If you want to switch it off, you have to press that button. And be quick. We're lucky that thing hasn't spotted us yet.
Do you think you could hit it with your boomerang, Batfly? We're kind of far.
Leave it to me, Bill. I can do this. So close.
Batfly! Whoa! Huh? Come on. I have to be quick. Fly away, Batfly! Fly away!
This is bad. If I don't want to miss, I have to get closer.
Hi, Batfly. What do you need?
Johnny, a freezing machine was causing this chaos. I'm facing it, but I need to be faster. Can you help me?
Of course. Activating Power Up.
Here we go. Don't mess with my friends, you iron junk. Get this! Yes! Bullseye! You did it! I don't believe you. Yeah. But we have another problem here. All right, I'll help you, but don't get used to it.
Thanks, girls. You freed me.
Actually, it was Vicky. All right, now get out of my property, anima dum-dums.
Yeah. There's a lot of work today.
Yes, boss. Oh! Oh no! What's going on? Oh! Ah!
No! Help! Ow! This is hilarious!
I can't get out of here. I'm stuck.
This is so funny. Come on, you can do better than that, purple unicorn.
Huh? Hi, Rhino Trucks.
Johnny, I need help. I am with Bob, and we're completely stuck in mud at the construction site. We need help.
Oh no, sounds bad. I'm going to send you some help.
Oh, thanks.
Hiya, Johnny. What's the mission?
You have to help Rhino and Bob at the construction site, but Vicky's around, so be careful.
All right, I'll take care of it.
Somebody help me!
Vicky, stop right now.
But wait! Help us, Bulldozer!
Huh? Oh. Bob, are you ready? Well, I'll take that as a yes. Looks like I've caught a big fish.
I'm finally out of that nasty mud. Thanks, Bulldozer.
Your turn. Oh? Yeah. Come on! Get out of the mud!
Thanks, pal.
You're welcome. And now it's time to catch Vicky.
No! Stop making fun of me!
Hello? Vicky, stay put.
I don't think so.
Oh, come on. But I'm not gonna let you escape this time.
Oh, well, thanks!
Leave me alone, you mechanical bull!
That's not going to stop me, Vicky.
All right, you might have more fun with this.
Oh no! I am the best.
See you around, mechanical bull.
Hi, Bulldozer. All good?
I'm having a bit of trouble catching Vicky.
Don't worry. Activating power up.
Ugh, perfect. Let's go. Yeah, come on! Aha!
Huh?
Vicky, stop right now!
No way!
Vicky, listen to me. You gotta stop right now!
Never! No, 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 no! Ah!
It's not so funny now, is it, Vicky?
Oh no! Why always me?
Aha!
Stop it, Bulldozer! What's wrong with you today?
Yes, yes, you're doing great, my beautiful creation. With this evil version of Bulldozer, I'll turn everyone against the strongest anima car in town.
I'm in a real pickle. I have to call for help. This is Johnny. How can I help you?
Johnny, it's Bob. You have to make Bulldozer stop. I was painting some benches by the town hall and he started destroying everything.
Bulldozer, are you sure that doesn't sound like him?
I'm telling you, he's chasing me right now.
Leave it to me, Bob. I'll find out what's going on.
Hiya, Johnny. Ready for a mission, sir.
Bulldozer, what are you doing? Bob just called to say that you were wreaking havoc in the city.
What? That's impossible. I've been on my post all day.
This is so weird. Bob was really convinced that it was you.
Let me go there and investigate, Johnny. I'll get to the bottom of this.
All right, buddy, I trust you.
Huh? There's no one here. Bob? Is that you?
Please don't hurt me.
Come on, Bob. It's me. What's going on?
You tell me. You really scared me earlier.
What are you talking about?
Don't act like you don't know. I just saw you leaving towards Katie's restaurant.
It seems like someone's pretending to be me. I have to stop him. Katie, what happened?
What happened? You happened!
What?
Don't play dumb with me, Bulldozer. Where did you take my ice cream? Where?
I didn't do this, Katie. It must have been my evil twin. Huh?
Ugh.
Oh, if I don't stop this soon, everyone will hate me. Huh? What's that? Of course! The stolen ice creams must be melting. And he's leaving a trail. If I follow it, I'm sure I'll find the culprit.
Huh? You better bring me my ice cream back. Well done, little bull. Oh my, I'm so much smarter than I imagined.
Are you sure about that?
Huh? Well, 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 if it isn't the most hated anima car in the world.
Your silly plan is over now, Vicky.
Really?
Huh? Oh, that...
What's going on? Are those rocks too big for you, animal loser? Don't worry, your evil twin will make sure that no one forgets about you. Come on, let's get away from this fool. Bye-bye.
That crazy brat and a cheap fake anima bull. I'm never gonna get out of here on my own. I have to call Johnny for help.
Bulldozer, everything okay?
Johnny, I need your help. Vicky has been causing chaos with an evil twin of me. And now she got me stuck.
Oh no, this is terrible. Got it. Don't worry, Bulldozer. Activating power up.
Super drill. Amazing.
Let's see. Who can we annoy now?
Aha!
Huh? What's that?
Hello, Vicky. Long time no see.
No way. That animal fool got out of my trap. Well, if he doesn't want to learn his lesson, I'll make him.
Huh? Whoa! Yeah! Give up, Vicky. That old trick won't work with me again.
Don't worry, Katie. I'm sure you'll get your ice cream back. Oh no, he's back! The evil bull is back! There's two of them?
Okay, it's now or never. Ha!
Huh? No way.
Your little trip has come to an end, Vicky. Whoa!
Ow! Hey, let me out now!
Oh, your ice cream is so good, Katie.
Thanks, Bulldozer.
We're really sorry, Bulldozer. We shouldn't have doubted you.
Don't worry, guys. Besides, we may look the same, but I'm definitely stronger than him.
You'll pay for this, animal losers. The ice creams are all mine. You won't get away with this, Vicky. Really? And who's going to stop me?
Game over, Vicky. Batfly is here to stop you.
Are you sure?
Run, guys, run!
We need your help.
This is Johnny. What can I help you with?
Johnny, it's Katie. We need help. Vicky is causing chaos at the restaurant, and Batfly is helping her.
Wait, what? What are you talking about?
I'm telling you, Batfly came and left Bob on the roof. This is a disaster.
Don't worry, Katie. I'll send some help and we'll get to the bottom of this. Hi, Johnny.
Batfly, what's going on? Katie just called me saying you're helping Vicky and her evil plans?
Me? You know that can't be true, Johnny. Let me get there and find out what's going on.
I trust you, but there's no way you're going alone this time. It might be some kind of trap. Crocodile will go to and help you out.
Oh, come on.
Don't worry, Johnny boy. I'll be like your own sticky shadow.
No, not again!
Don't worry, Bob. I'll take you back to the ground. Look who's here if it isn't the Anima Fools.
This is over, Vicky. We won't let you escape.
Oh, but you will. Just wait and see.
What?
They're clones! Vicky's creating clones! Bye-bye, Anima Fools.
Crocodile,
take care of your clone. I'll take care of mine.
All right, handsome. Let's boogie. Wow! Chill, my friend. Not bad. For a fake. Ouch! Katie, Rhino, I could use a little help, you know. Come on! You know I'm the real Crocodile!
Prove it.
What? Okay. Remember when I saved you from those quicksands, Rhino? Come on! If it weren't for my super cool parkour moves, you'd still be there!
Okay, he's the real one.
No clone could ever be that cocky.
It looks like you're in a real pickle, buddy.
Come on, where did those two go? Over here, Animatown. Trying to take me by surprise, huh? No need to do that. Phew, that one has some courage. Time to get back to the cave, little bat. I want to defeat her. I need something else.
Batfly, did you find out what's going on?
Yes, Johnny. Vicky is making clones of us to fool everyone. I'm fighting her now, but I need an extra boost.
Huh? An extra boost? All right, Batfly. Get ready for a power-up.
Wow, these turbos are amazing! No way! That foolish bat is coming at us again! Turn around and shoot your boomerang, my clone! Let's bring her down for good! Ew! Huh? My turn! You failed, animal loser! Huh? Oh no! Ouch, that ought to hurt. Never mess with the bat. Come on, girls, it's going to be a bumpy ride to jail. Now, let's see how Crocodile's doing.
Remember, fake, no one is more loco than the Croco. Thanks, guys. I couldn't have done it without your help.
You are welcome.
I just hope that Batfly defeated her evil twin, too.
Of course. Who do you think I
am? Batty! You made it!
And look who I brought with me.
Oh, yeah. That's what you get for messing with our pretty faces, you fools.
Don't worry, Johnny. With the shortcut I took, I'll bring the stand to Katie's just in time. Wow! Ooh, what a hit!
It seems that my aim is still perfect. Stolen ice cream, my favorite flavor.
Oh no! She's going to get away with it!
Wheelfin, what happened?
Vicky's trapped me with stones to steal the ice creams!
Don't worry, I'm sending someone to help you.
Hi, Johnny.
Bulldozer, Wheelfin is trapped in rocks in the desert. He needs your help.
Got it. On my way. elephant? Where are you?
Over here!
What?
Help me, my friend.
All right, don't move. Oh! Ah! Oh! Ah!
Thanks, Bulldozer. But now we have to get Katie's stand back.
Count on me, pal. We have to be close.
Huh? Oh no. Really? Again?
I can't believe you fell for the same trick twice, animal losers.
Bulldozer, are you okay?
Well, I'm kind of trapped. This rock is huge. It's blocking my shovel.
I can't do it on my own, but I know what to do.
Wheel of it. Did Bulldozer set you free?
Yes, Johnny, but Vicky trapped us again. I'm going to need an extra hand.
Say no more. Activating power up.
All right, let's get to work. Now it's your turn.
We're on our way, Vicky. Just wait for us. There she is. Let's go. I'll distract her while you take back the stand.
Copy that.
Hello there.
You came for more, huh?
Is that all you got?
Oh, stay put, Anima Ding Dong.
Ah. Hmm?
Well, enough fun. Bye-bye, Vicky.
You won't just walk away, Anima Fool. Huh? Give me my ice cream back. Yes! Huh?
This is for trapping me. Twice!
Reclaimed ice creams. My favorite flavor.
It's alive!
Help! Someone help me!
This city is mine.
Here's Johnny. How can I help?
Johnny, help me! She's got a cheap X truck!
Oh no, this isn't good. Don't worry, Bob. I'm sending help. Guys, red alert! Vicky is attacking the city with some kind of dinosaur. You gotta get there as soon as possible.
All right.
All right. Oh no, what a mess!
We need to find Bob.
Wait, what's that?
Yay!
Quickly, guys, let's help him.
What do you think you're doing, animal loser? Yeah!
I got you, buddy.
Come on, let's get them!
You're safe now, Bob.
Thank you, guys, but that evil creature is still out there.
Don't worry, stay hidden and we'll take care of Vicky.
Stop right there.
You wish. Easy peasy.
Hey!
Help me!
Oh no! They're gonna get Katie!
We need some help.
Hi, Tigers.
Hi, Johnny. I need your help to stop Vicky and her T-Rex.
Roger that. Activating power up.
Time to stop that evil monster.
I'll give you all my ice cream, Vicky, but please stop him. But where's the fun in that?
Your evil plans are over.
You really think you could defeat us, little kitty?
Well, he's not alone. Come on, Tigers, let's show them how we do it.
You're gonna pay for this, foolish lizard.
Good thinking, pal.
Don't even think about it, Vicky.
You still have to clean all this mess.
I hate you, animal losers.
Give up, Vicky. You'll never activate that doom machine.
But I just stole the tool to make it work, and I worked so hard on it. Can I have some fun?
Come on. Not now.
See you later, kitty cat. Doom machine, here I come.
If I don't do something, she'll get away.
Hi, Tigers. Is everything all right?
Johnny, I need your help. Vicky's about to do something really bad, but I got stuck in mud and I can't chase her.
Roger that. Help is on the way.
Hi, Johnny!
Batfly, Crocodile, Vicky is out there causing trouble and got Tigers stuck in mud. One of you needs to stop her while the other helps our friend.
All right, I'll take care of Vicky.
Tigers is stuck in mud? Oh, I want to see that.
Crocodile, I'm so glad you're here.
Of course you are. Don't worry, pal. The best Animacar is here to save you.
All right, you're the best. Now help me.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, Draco, stop goofing around and start making an effort now.
Oh, this is gonna be harder than I thought. I wonder how Batfly's doing.
Don't you ever get tired of stopping you? That never gets old. Huh? Let's get to the basics then. Huh? Ouch! Are you crazy?
Come on, Draco. Just call Johnny to activate your power-up.
No way. I'm the best Animacar. I can do it on my own.
Crocodile, how are you doing over there?
Me? I'm crushing it like always.
Glad to hear that. Because you'll have to chase Vicky now, and she's really close to her lair. That knucklehead broke my engine with rocks.
Oh, this is bad.
Come on, Draco. You know what you have to do.
Crocodile, how's the mission going?
I need your help, Johnny. We don't have time to lose.
Sure thing. Activating power up.
Yes! Now we're talking!
It's working! Keep going, Draco! Yes! Great job, pal!
Sure. But we still have work to do.
This is over, Vicky!
Oh, is it? You can trap me, but you'll never stop me.
Don't be so sure.
Huh?
Mud got us in this trouble, and Mud will get us out of it.
No, stop that, you monster!
No one's more loco than the Croco.
Hey, did I miss the party?
Batfly! You should have seen Draco! He was amazing!
You weren't too bad either, my friend.
My baby! My beautiful baby! I'll make you pay, Anima Dum-Dums! I'll make you pay! Yes! Boom! And now let's go. There is a lot to steal. Huh?
Hi, Nora.
Hi, Johnny. I think you should know that the dinosaurs escaped from prison. And I think it's because Vicky helped them.
All right, I'll send Tigers to investigate.
Hi, Johnny! What's the problem in Animatown?
Hi, Tigers. The dinosaurs escaped from prison. Can you go and investigate what happened?
Of course! I'll handle it! rest, Vicky.
What are you doing here?
Isn't it obvious? I'm here to stop the dinosaur you broke out of prison. And I'm taking you in too for stealing ice cream.
And how are you going to do that if we are 2 against 1? T-Rex truck after him.
Yes! Yes!
Surprise attack! Wow, I wasn't expecting that. Aha! This is going to be fun. One down.
We had a great time, darling, but you have to know when to say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Sorry, T-Rex truck. I'll be back for you in a moment. Aha! Give up, Vicky. You can't escape justice.
How about you settle for the dinosaur truck and leave me to go free this time?
Never!
Well, okay, you asked for it.
Ah! Come on! Not now!
See you later, kitty cat. And now to eat this delicious ice cream.
If I don't do something now, she's gonna get away.
Huh?
Oh?
Hi, Tigers. Is everything all right?
Johnny, I need your help. Vicky has stolen all of Katie's ice cream, but I got stuck in mud and I can't chase her.
Roger that. Do you need the power up?
Aha!
In a second.
Perfect!
Not him again. Yuck. Ugh. Well, there's no way I'm letting him catch me. Yuck. Oh no, move! Phew.
You're under arrest, Vicky.
You just couldn't stay out of the way, could you? Ugh, it's useless.
Stealing is wrong, Vicky. Let's see if you learn this time.